Welcome to Earn Money. Let's watch how to earn money online with squadhelp. #1 naming website in the world. Click Sign up to start.
Give your first name,
Last name. Name to be displayed in your profile. Email address. Then secure password with mixture of letters and numbers. After filling all the above details, you need to choose the type of account you need to open. Whether you open a buyer account, looking for names to buy, or the seller account, or creative account, which is trying to sell creative names and earn money through projects. Through this video we are looking for how to create seller account or creative account. To continue, click the Create Account button, which you automatically agree to the terms and conditions of squadhelp. Here you can upload your personal details. Your profile photo. It's better if you upload a photo in which you look professional. Your street address. Country. State. City. And PIN code, or postal code. If you want you can mention your phone number here or else you skip this. It's optional.
select on which base you need to earn.
To participate in naming contest you need to pay $10. To participate in logo contest, you need to show your creative skills to get approved. You need to email to service@squadhelp.com. Or you can sell domains in Marketplace. This payment tab is because of selecting the naming contest. You can place your payment through your Visa card or via PayPal. Also you can get your money refundable within 7 days. If you doesn't want to participate in naming contest. You can agree with the terms and proceed payment. After payment you will get a payment receipt from squadhelp to your registered email. If you doesn't want to participate in naming contest it is totally free to sign up in squadhelp. I have given the link below in the description to sign up with squadhelp. Please check it out. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and share. If you have any questions, type it on the comment box.